La primera frase para esta canción dice, I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you are sleeping. Bien, aquí tenemos I could stay awake just to hear you. Aquí esta palabra, aquí hear, suena here. Y you suena ya. Así que estas dos suena hear you. I could stay awake just to hear breathing, watch you smile while you are sleeping. Bien, aquí esta palabra are vamos a reducirla y la vamos a pronunciar como una A. Vamos a reducirla y la pronunciamos con una A. La E no suena y la R tampoco suena. Solo es la A. Así que estas tres palabras suenan while you are sleeping. While you are sleeping. Are sleeping.
I can stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping.
While you're far away. While you're far away and dreaming, I could spend my life in the sweet surrender.
While you're far away dreaming, I could spend my life in the sweet surrender.
I could stay lost in, aquí vinculando lost in this moment forever, where every moment spent with you is a moment, a treasure. Bien, aquí tenemos moment y tenemos el pronombre I. Vamos a conectar estas dos palabras, moment y el pronombre I. Lo que vamos a hacer es que la vamos a conectar con la N, con esta N de moment. La T aquí, aquí no suena, solo conectamos la N con I. Y el pronombre I aquí lo vamos a pronunciar como una A. Así que aquí suena momena, treasure. Y aquí is y A suena is a moment of treasure. Bien, esta frase dice, I could stay lost in this moment forever, where every moment spent with you is a moment of treasure.
I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment of treasure.
Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause 'Cause even when I dream you, dream you. Aquí you suena como yo. Dreaming yo, dreaming yo. The sweetest dream would never do. I stared, miss you, baby. And I don't wanna, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream, yeah, the sweet and dreaming would never do. I still miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Lion, close to you, lying close to you, feeling your heart beating. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating. And wondering, and I'm wondering, water, and I'm wondering, water, lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering, water, dreaming, if it's me, you're seeing. If it's me you're seeing, then I kiss your eyes, and thank God we're together. If it's me you're seeing, then I kiss your eyes, and thank God we're together. And I just wanna stay with you. And I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever and ever. And I just wanna stay with you. And I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever and ever.
Lying close to you, then your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering is it me you'll see it, and I kiss your eyes, and I thank God we're together, and I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream you. Aquí la F aquí no suena. La O se convierte como una cortica. La M se conecta con ella y suena dream. Dream, yeah. Aquí U suena como yeah. Dream, yeah. Dream, yeah. Sweeted, sweeted. Dream would never do. Upstairs, upstairs, miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one, miss one. Smile, smile, smile. I don't wanna miss one kiss. I don't wanna miss one kiss.
I don't want to close my eyes. I don't want to fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't want to miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing will never do. I still miss you, baby. And I don't want to miss a thing. And I don't want to miss one smile. And I don't want to miss one kiss.
1, 2, 3. Where are just. Bien, aquí en esta palabra, en where, lo que vamos a hacer es que no vamos a pronunciar la W ni la E. Solo vamos a pronunciar la letra L. Pronunciamos solo la letra L. Y la vinculamos, la conectamos con el pronombre I. Así que esta palabra I va a sonar como una pequeña A, como una A cortica. Así que aquí estas dos palabras suena la. La lengua la colocas arriba y dices la just wanna be with you. 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 Right here with you. Just like this. Just like this. I just wanna hold you close. I just wanna hold you close. I feel your heart so close to mine. I just wanna hold you close. I feel your heart so close to mine. And just stay here y aquí vinculando estas dos palabras, hearing this moment for all the rest of time. The rest of time. Aquí la T conectando rest of time. And just stay hearing this moment for all the rest of time.